So if you haven't heard yet, I have a live pinstripe and airbrush class coming up in November. Now, one of my sponsors is Apollo HVLP turbo sprayers. What this is it is a turbine system spray gun rather than a compressed air spray gun. So your normal HVLP, SATA, Iwata, that all comes from compressed air out of a tank into your line, out of your gun, makes paint, right? This is a little different. This is a vortex system. Kind of sounds a little bit more like a shop vac, and it sucks air in and pushes air out on demand. The big difference is with the HVLP that this style has, it has bigger ports on the inside, which means you could use less air to get the same atomization, which is pretty wicked. It also has, because you could use less air, you're getting less pressure out of your gun, which means less overspray, which means more paint transfer onto your material. So I got 2 boxes here. Let's open these things up. A bunch of packing peanuts, a lot of pens, and a shirt. I love that. That's going to be great for the class. Luma 3. They have a Luma 3 attachment for their guns. That's awesome. If you don't know what Luma 3 is basically flashlights that go on the end of your gun. So when you're going under rockers or around corners, you can see what you're doing. A ton of slap stickers. That's great. We're going to need those for the class for sure. Ooh, a hat. I need a hat because you don't want to see my hair. It's prematurely balding and it's a bit embarrassing at the least. All right. Ooh. All right. Atomizer cup. We're going to need that. More cups. And the cool thing about having this stuff for the class is we are going to be painting using this stuff during the class. So this is cool because they have their 7700 spray gun you could actually use as a HVLP gravity feed and siphon feed. You could use it for both, which is amazing. Stir sticks, we'll need those because we're going to be using a lot of paint. All right, and we got 1 gun, 2 gun, 3 gun, and what is this? Ooh, extra needles and nozzles. That's important. All right, box 2. Well, actually, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm literally shaking over here. There's that maximizer spray gun I was talking to you about. We got a clean, cleaner tools. We got some electric attachments, and here is the hoses and the machine. Oh my lordy! Nice big hose. Nothing like a good hose. Oh boy. Oh my God. Hold on a second. Come here. Hold on. Come here. How absolutely stunning this is. Wow. Recap. This is the Precision-6 Pro true HVLP turbine system with 4 spray guns, 3 7600s, primer, base, clear, and the 7700. This right here is what I've been waiting for. Also, we got some pens. We got some can openers, which are really super cool. We got new tips, needles, nozzles, a bunch of different size cups, and the Luma 3 for these guns. That's huge. If you get this far in the video, make sure to check out my website, tntcustompaint.com. That's where all the information for this live class is, where we will be using this in the class. We're going to be base coating with it, we'll be clearing with it, and all sorts of other cool stuff we got going on during the class. So please, again, check that out. Let me know. And